Okay, so now children, all of you know that every letter has a special sound. And these sounds, they come from where? Which land? Yes? Who will tell me? Which land? Oh,
Netherlands.
yes, the letter land. And no, now, yes, we have. Now I'm going to show you some sounds. And you are going to tell me what sound it is. It's a guessing game. Here we go. Yes.
It's not rain. It's not.
Yes. Who would like to share? Which sound is this? Yes. It's
See, I'm doing action.
all of you show me the action. Come on. Let me see your actions. Yes. And the sound is eh. Eh. Okay. Now let's go to the new one. Who would like to share this one? Come on. Guessing game.
Good, Ashray.
Yes. Wonderful. Well done. All right. Now here comes your next sound. Come on. Show me the action. Yes. Okay. Now
Good, Divan.
yes.
Good job.
Makes yummy.
Vian, are you doing? How कर रहे हो Vian? Good, Saiti.
Yes.
Good, Ashray.
Very good.
Good,
Well
Arush.
done. Oh, something is coming in the class. Come on, all of you close your eyes. Close your eyes. One,
Close your eyes.
3. Here comes your
No, Aishman. No cheating.
open. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! What is this?
Magic box. Magic box.
Now, how to open this? I don't know how to open it.
Okay. Snap, snap, snap. These are the magical boxes in my box.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God, there is something coming new thing. Ooh, who is this?
Yes, Arush. Very good. It is
Yes. And oh, who was here?
Inky. Yes, and this is
Yes.
the
Wow. Now there is something coming. You have to find out who's this. Yes, it's with the sound. Letter U with the sound. Okay, so let's meet our new sound. Letter U with the sound. So let's say bye to them. Would you like to sing for the sound? Yes? Would you like to learn the action of the sound? Yes? Show me thumbs up. Say bye to them. Say bye. Yes? Bye. We are going back to the letter land.
Bye.
Oh. Now, what we have to do? We have to keep our hand like this. Okay. One hand steady and one hand raising. Okay. As if we are raising an umbrella. Umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
We open the umbrella, no? Umbrella. Come on, let's do it. Come on.
Umbrella.
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 Ayushman, can we see your action?
Action करो.
Let's do it.
Good.
Ah,
Good, Ayushman. Good, Saida.
ah,
Umbrella.
okay. Now I want to show you what is this coming.
Umbrella.
What's this? Yes, umbrella. And you know how to hold it. And raising the umbrella like this. Oh, here it goes. Up, up go umbrella. Okay. So we have to show the action like this. It goes up, up, up. Now let's sing for the sound. Okay. And we are going to do this action. All right. And then I'm going to tell you something to bring. All right. Here we go. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Are we ready to sing? Yes. Show me thumbs up. Yay. Lovely. So let's sing for the sound, our new friend. So here is our new letter. The letter A letter U. Okay, with the sound. All right. So letter U with sound. Now let's sing. Come on. Are our hands ready for raising the umbrella?
Yes. Like this, Aryan.
Yes.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain.
Okay. Then you hear na sound. You have to do like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Then we hear a sound, we have to do like this. Come on.
Umbrella.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain.
Now once more, children, I want everybody to do it together.
Umbrella.
Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain.
Yay, lovely. Thank you, dear children. Now, are we ready to have singing once again? Let me see your umbrellas going up. Can we see? Can I see everybody's hands and umbrellas? Yes. Okay. Pretend to be having an umbrella. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's sing. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. So when do we use umbrella? Who will tell me?
Oh.
When do we use umbrella?
It's
Yes. Very. And also we use umbrella. When it's too. When it's too. Hot. Yes. So in both places we use umbrella. Now can I see your umbrellas? If you have umbrellas, let's sing.
Adya have. Yes, ma'am. Adya have.
Okay, let's see how to sing. Come on, let's see. If you have umbrellas, you can. Let's sing.
Please bring. If you have umbrella, please bring your umbrella. Okay.
Okay.
I have done umbrella.
Okay.
Oh,
It's
no,
okay, Ayushman. It's okay. It's okay.
you can sing like without pretending to be umbrella. Okay. Oh, lovely.
Oh, lovely, Ayushman.
Okay.
Yes.
Together.
Now
Okay.
open your umbrellas. Everyone. Open it.
Open. Yes.
Saida, open your umbrella.
Now let's sing. Let's sing together. All right. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How we are going to do it? Yes. Let's sing once again with our umbrellas. 1, 2, 3. One time. Okay. Let's go.
Uh.
umbrella.
Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain.
Wonderful, dear children. Yes, once again.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Oh, without the music now.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, we have to swing. We have to raise it up. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it starts to rain. Yay, lovely children. Everybody's umbrellas. Wonderful, dear children. So now you can close your umbrellas and keep it aside. Okay. Now there are so many new things coming up with the sound. And let's,
Adya, close your umbrella.
yes, and keep it aside. Thank you, dear children. It
Sit
was wonderful
smartly.
seeing you dancing with your umbrellas.